Hi, this is Dave Forster with Basecamp Trading. I wanted to check in on a Qualcomm trade. And so if you go back in our archives, we talked about a bearish Qualcomm trade back on June 17th. So if we just go back to, yep, that is all I knew at the time. But what I could see is that we had a potential left shoulder over here, a head, and a potential right shoulder, which this candle is also a bearish engulfing candle. So I wanted to review that trade and talk through how it turned out. We'll just kind of walk through it candle by candle. So you can use the high of a bearish engulfing candle as resistance. So to be precise, the high back on 616, I did the video on the 17th, so that high is 231.19. So let's just walk through candle by candle. There we tried to move back up. It didn't quite take out that previous high. There we pretty much got a doji. We did make a higher high slightly on that candle. Weren't able to take it out. And then we got a gap down. And that is basically where you could get a good sense that we could get some follow through. We did have some support potentially at the 50-day moving average, but I mentioned that for a potential neckline with the head and shoulders, that'd be right around 190. So if we just go through candle by candle, went to the 50-day moving average, still closed above it, tried to move back up. So we initially had a pretty good gap up, but we did not fill in this gap and ultimately closed lower. And then we closed below the 50-day moving average right there. Kind of held on to the neckline for a little bit. That's not unusual. And then we closed more clearly below the neckline. And then, right now where we're at, we're staying below the neckline. So I mentioned there's a potential, large move. Hopefully you were able to take advantage of some of that down move on Qualcomm. And you can go back, look at the previous video from the 17th. So I'm still expecting some downside move. There is potential support in case you got into that trade right around where the 200-day moving average is. So 168.30, there's some potential support. Overall market's moving up. Qualcomm's not really participating, so it's got a lot of relative weakness compared to the overall market right now. All right. One thing I want to make sure you are aware of is that if you head to bctnow.com/join, you can join our rooms for 30 days. Unlimited access for just $7. All right, so hopefully you were able to take advantage of that Qualcomm trade, some of that down move. When I mentioned it, I think it's a good review of that trade just to give you an idea. That's really what the trade should have done, and happy with that trade. So I will look forward to catching you next time.